this is a Google smartphone. It comes in a box like this. This side of the box says Google. This side of the box has a picture of the smartphone. The back side of the box says hashtag Team Pixel, and it has all the product details and specifications mentioned in the back. So let us just open this Google Pixel 4a and look at the smartphone. This is how Google Pixel 4a looks. This is quite slim. It's like actually quite slim, and it has two cameras on the back. It has one camera on the left side of the phone. This smartphone also has very thin bezel, so it is mostly the screen. Okay, so this is the key that is used to take out the SIM. This is the user manual. This is the charger. So basically this is the charging head, this is the USB cable, and you also get a small USB